Now that we understand about location, it's time for us to put another layer to our tools here, which is the maps. You've seen maps many times on your phones or on your computers, or even physical maps, right? The ones that you actually can open and start writing on them. So here now we're going to put together the location and maps, put it all together so that we can create something more elaborate. So a map encompasses all the locations in the world, as you can see here, but now we're going to add location, meaning we can pinpoint all the coordinates and start putting markers or pins, as you can see here. So this is more exciting because now we can see things happening on a more visual scale. Okay, let's go ahead and put together a very simple map in Android.